Hello everyone, so today we're going to figure out how to change this cabin AC filter for a Ram 1500 Classic. First we open the glove box, then we find this little rope, this little string. We pull this towards us and the glove box in a half closed position, and then we unlock it. And then this is, you can see this is the mechanism of the lock. Now we can now we have to push from these sides, from here and squeeze. After you squeeze and pull out this little the glove box, you will find that the cabin air filter is a little bit higher up. If you can see this little T, this one, this is the cover of the AC filter. So what you do is there's two tabs here, one here and one on the other side. You'll have to squeeze them and then pull out the cover. After you squeeze and unlock these tabs, you'll pull out the cover. Make sure that you pull it out carefully as to not damage the wiring loom over there. This is what the cabin air filter looks like. You just pull it out, again, maneuvering it in such a way. Now we have the new clean air cabin filter, which you can buy from Canadian Tire or Walmart or wherever. Just make sure it's the same size as your current one. You can take your old one to the shop to see if it's the correct size. And then it will have a direction of airflow printed on the cabin filter. Now we're gonna look at, and so will the lid, the cover of the cabin filter. So we're just gonna align both of them together. So we know this is what it fits like, and we're just gonna put this back where it came from. Let me see if you can see on the camera. No. So just put it in. And then we put the little T cover we have to maneuver this in such a way behind the wiring loom. If it helps to stick your head in. And you have to lock the tabs also on the sides, on the left and right sides. Press on it more until it makes a nice clicking sound, and you can. Now remember the first step of the video? You see this little string, which we use to unlock the glove box. We're gonna pull this back and hold it in between two fingers, like this. Now you see the sides of this glove box? Here and here. We're gonna squeeze from both sides, and we're gonna push it in behind this little ridge. Then the string you were holding in your other hand, you just put it in, you stick it into the hole, this hole. Then this little string we were holding, we insert it into the hole and we let it lock in place, and this is done. We have changed our AC cabin filter.